Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this so easy but eye-catching blanket. I think you maybe never seen a blanket with the stitch before. It looks like waffle, but it's not, and it's really so easy. You will see. And I made the border with the different color. You can choose the same color, it's up to you. And for here I use Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo. It's a category 4 worsted weight yarn. It recommends 5.5 millimeter hook. I used 6.5 and 6 millimeter for the border. I use full ball for a newborn size. It's 70 centimeters square, and one ball is 396 grams. And for the border, I use this yarn, Bernat Premium. You will use less than 100 grams, maybe 50 grams, I'm not sure. This blanket is two-sided, both sides are same, so you can use any sides, and it hasn't any holes, so it's better for the winter. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Start with a slip knot. I'm gonna make 91 chains. This pattern will work with any odd number, so you can add chains, you can make it as long as you want. Just be sure about to use an odd number. I complete 91 chains. Now turn your chains. Just turn it. We are gonna use these back bumps. Skip 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and insert into this fourth stitch. Pull through 2, pull through 2. So that's a double crochet. Starting from here, we're gonna put one double crochet into each stitch. I complete the row. I have 89 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn. That's just one row repeat. It's so easy if you cope with this back loop only double crochets. It will be so easy, but I want to show you this first. There's one thing you can confuse about. We're gonna use back post double crochets. Sorry, I said back loop only maybe, but back post double crochets, then half double crochets. A back post, a half double, a back post, a half double. You need to know this. When you turn your work, you see this loop. This loop is belong to this post. Your loops will be behind the post on the back part, okay? So I'm gonna explain you now. Yarn over, insert into this first stitch, grab the yarn over and pull through. That's a half double crochet. Now I'm gonna make a back post double crochet around the next. Yarn over, insert your hook from back to front and around this post, give it the back again, grab the yarn, pull through, then make a double crochet. Now we need to make a half double crochet, but that's not our stitch, okay? This one is this back post double crochet stitch. This one is second double crochet stitch. We're gonna use the next one here. Yarn over, you see, don't use this one. Make a half double crochet. Now that's our post. Around it, put a back post double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a half double crochet. Around this next post, make a double crochet, a half double crochet, a back post double crochet, a half double crochet. Repeat this till the end. I have 2 stitches left. I'm gonna make a back post double crochet, and into this third chain I'm gonna put a half double crochet. Chain 1, turn. Into this first stitch put a half double crochet, and around this back post double crochet we're gonna make a back post double crochet. A half double crochet, back post double crochet, a half double, back post double. So repeat this till the end. Okay, I have last 2 stitches. I'm gonna put a back post double crochet and a half double crochet to this last stitch. Chain 1, turn, and a half double crochet, a back post double crochet, a half double crochet, back post double crochet, and it will look like this. You see? I'm gonna keep repeating this till I satisfy, I think. When I turn back, I will give you the measurements. See ya. I complete the blanket. It's 65 centimeters square. Now we're gonna make the border, but we have a problem. Yeah. I need to take this. He has a serious heart condition. So I cannot make him unhappy in any circumstances. If he wants to sit here, he can sit here forever. But he chooses to go. Now I'm gonna use the color pink for the border because my yarn is not enough. Okay, I use all of them. Right now it was 396 grams. If you want to make it bigger, you need 2 balls. But I think a different color border it will look good too also. Now I complete the row, cut the yarn. I'm gonna join from here. Put a single crochet into same place. Into the next, put a single crochet. Next, a single crochet. Put one single crochet into each stitch to the corner. I complete here. I have 89 single crochets. Chain 2. Insert same stitch, put a single crochet. Now you see I have half double crochets here. I'm gonna put one single crochet around this post and one into this stitch. One here, one here, one here, one here. Even though it's a square, I will have less single crochets for here. Time to time you can make some increases. Maybe put one more around this and keep making. Put one more, okay. You can use this way. If I put too much, if I put two single crochet around a half double crochet, it will be too much. So I'm gonna keep going with this way till the end. See you there. I complete here too. I have 76 stitches right now. I made 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 increases. And chain 2 into same chain, put a single crochet, then put one single crochet into each chain. Once you complete this row, you're gonna put one here, you're gonna put one single crochet, 2 chains and one single crochet, turn and make here 2. Just be sure about making these two opposite sides with same amount of stitches. See you at the end. I reached to the end. I'm gonna make one last single crochet here, chain 1, insert into this first stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a single crochet. Chain 3, insert into this space, make one more double crochet, then chain 1, skip this first stitch into the next, put 2 double crochets, not into the next, sorry, put one here and one into the next, chain 1, skip 1, make 2 double crochets in a row, chain 1, skip 1, make 2 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, 2 double crochets. Repeat this till the corner. I reached to the end. I'm gonna make a chain. I have 2 stitches left. You could have more or less, it's not too important. I'm gonna skip all of them, and into the corner I'm gonna put 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 more double crochets. Chain 1, skip this first stitch. Into the next two, put 2 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, we're gonna repeat this into the corners. You're gonna put 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. As I told you, if you have more or less stitches in the end, you can skip them. You can maybe have no stitch here, just make a chain and make the corner. Turn around, see you at the end. In the end, I'm gonna put 2 double crochets into the corner, chain 1, insert into this third chain, join with a single crochet, chain 3. Into this corner we are gonna make 3 more double crochets. We have 4 now. Into this one chain space, put a single crochet. Into this next one chain space, make 5 double crochets. Skip here, into the next, put a single crochet. Skip 2, into one chain space, make 5 double crochets, skip 2, put a single crochet. When I reach to the end, I made my 5 double crochets. Actually, I need one chain space here, but I don't have. So I'm gonna use this tactic. Insert into the second stitch, put a single crochet here, and into the corner I'm gonna make 7 double crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Into this next space, put a single crochet. You see, it's not looking too bad. Yeah. Now put a shell here with 5 double crochets, single crochets. Keep repeating this into the corners. You're gonna make 7 double crochets shell. Turn around, see at the end. In the end, I made my single crochet here. Now I'm gonna make 3 more double crochet into the corner. Join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my Etsy website, Ravelry, Pinterest, Facebook. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.